Finally, I bought a new battery for my OPPO A17, installed it, and now it's working. So let's turn the phone on. It is working. Alright, the phone already been turned on. So here it is, finally it is working. I'm really happy. I did factory reset just now. And now it's good like brand new. 4GB of RAM, 64GB of storage. Let's go to setting. Now it's running on the test version, but it's stuck on the Android tab since launching. As you can see, still ColorOS 12.1 with Android 12. No new update, just a security update only, but no Android 13 or 14. I'm not sure why OPPO didn't release for this A17, 13 and 14. At least the OPPO A16 got Android 13, which is 2 years of Android upgrade, but this one not even once, only security update. The camera all good, no issue at all, charging also good on this new battery. Beautiful. Not bad for the ColorOS 12. It looks clean, but no animation. It's just like this. It comes from the middle, but when you slide to exit, it has an animation, only slide. But normal buttons, it just middle, just like when you launch the apps. So here's the phone. The SIM tray is missing and this area is damaged a bit, but I can fix that later. Beautiful. So new phone in my collection and new battery installed already. So thanks for watching and see you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.